Hey everyone, this is Fabian from Drum Lessons Bristol. Today we're going to be looking at Just Kiss My Baby by The Meters. This is a really cool groove with a recurring snare pattern. So let's start off by looking at it a little bit more slowly and then having a look at that pattern and what happens when it overlaps back onto the one when you play the kick. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to check out my other videos, hit subscribe, and let me know how you got on with that one in the comments.